Hello YouTube friends. I hope all you in the United States had a very good Thanksgiving. We did around the Mess About One household. Ate too much turkey, too much ham, but had a real good time. Got to visit with the relatives and got to take a little time and sit back and relax and be thankful for all the things that we have to be thankful for. And all the other folks in the world that didn't get to celebrate Thanksgiving yesterday, I hope you are going into a good weekend. We're having beautiful weather here in northeastern Alabama here at the end of November. Today was about 72 degrees outside. It's bright sunny skies, and it's predicted to be that for the next few days. So I took an additional day off today and got out and enjoyed the beautiful weather and plan to do the same in the next few days. I had two reasons to make this video. I'd told you last week, I guess before I went on my trip, we took a little trip up into the Great Smoky Mountains for a few days last weekend, and I told you that I would be away from the camera, away from YouTube for those days, and we got back on Monday of this week. And I also told you that I was working on doing some green screen video experimentation, I guess you would call it. I bought some software and learned to use it. So this video will show you some scenes from our trip to the Great Smoky Mountains. What you're seeing is a panorama. We had a cabin far up on one of the mountain ridges around that area, and what you're seeing is a panorama that we can see off of our front porch. And you're also being able to see this due to my use of a green screen now. What's being projected in the background is using the green screen software technology. And this is the first video I've made using that technology, and still have a good bit to learn about it, but I think it'll be a lot of fun to fool with. I've enjoyed learning about it so far. So just wanted to drop in and say a post Thanksgiving hello, and also give you a chance to see some of the video of the beautiful mountains. The mountains you're seeing there are in eastern Tennessee, western North Carolina. I guess these are really in eastern Tennessee. And the peaks in these mountains go up about 6,000 feet, a little over 6,000 feet, which is a tall mountain for eastern United States. The western U.S. has some much taller peaks, and I know many places in the world have even taller. But for the eastern U.S., this is our big mountains. They go up about 6,000 feet. And the final day we were up there, we did get a little snow, and that's real rare for us here in the southeast, but not rare in that area due to the higher elevations. But the final day we were there on Monday, it came with snow the night before and a little bit Monday morning, and the tops of these mountains that you're seeing there were kind of coated with a light snow. And there's actually a ski slope there in those mountains. You can't see it in the panorama. It's in that area where the panorama is taking place, but it's a pretty good little ski slope there at the little town called Gatlinburg. And of course they make man-made snow, but they do get quite a bit of snow during the wintertime. The taller peaks in the panorama you're watching there goes up, like I said, about 6,000 feet. An area called Clingman's Dome, which sits on the state line between North Carolina and Tennessee, and they get upwards to 200 inches of snow per season, being that high elevation. And several times during the winter season, the roads that go up to that area of these mountains is closed off due to heavy snows. So anyway, that's it for tonight, and again, I'll be back again some more with some better green screen work, and maybe some more poetry, and maybe some more scenery from around northeastern Alabama. So I'll see you then.